What's up, guys? Kid Martin 95 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, we have an intro video on District0x, currently sitting at about 11 cents, up about 1% in USD value, down about 4% in BTC, sitting at 1,160. But really quick though, folks, a nice little brief intro on District0x. District0x is a cooperative decentralized marketplace and communities powered by the Ethereum, Argon, and IPVS, which is referred to as districts. District exists as decentralized entities which are pretty much built on an open source framework combined with Ethereum smart contracts and front-end libraries referred to as D0x infra. D0x infra provides the core functionality such as the ability for users to post listings, filter, search through listings, and all this is including in the District0x token, what that's doing is introducing the District0x token, which is used to pretty much just facilitate participation and coordination access through the networks while at the same time providing protection from malicious actors. The token is utilized as an incentive voting game, so you're pretty much going to be voting on the project's updates. It is a proof of stake coin. One of their communities that they do have live now is ETH, but we're not going to dive too much into that. We're going to actually run through the market before we take a look at District0x. Market cap is sitting at 455 billion. Bitcoin dominance sitting at 32 billion. Today's volume is 32 billion. Bitcoin dominance sitting at 36%. My bad. Bitcoin up 5% for the day, guys. Looks like we did finally break 9,300. Ethereum, well, I don't know if we've closed above it yet. Actually, I haven't looked at the charts. We're going to go ahead and take a look at that. Looks like Ethereum is the big movie here, up 12% from the Bitcoins. Ripple up almost a little bit more than 2.5, sitting at 88 cents. Bitcoin Cash up almost 3, EOS down 5, Cardano up 1, Litecoin up 7, IOTA up 13, nice. Neo up 4, Dash up almost 5, NEM up almost 3. Big winners today, Bitcoin Dark up 132, Loom Network up 43, Electroneum up 28. Not surprised, Ontology's up here, up almost 25 for the day. Nano up to almost 10, sitting at 973, up 17% for the day. Golem I saw 13, sitting at 81 cents. But you folks came here for some District0x. Let's go ahead and actually market cap is sitting at 67 million. I can't talk. Today's volume is 4.7 million. Circulating supply 600 million. Total supply 1 billion. Major exchanges here, folks: Binance, Bittrex, Upbit, OKEX, Liquid, and HitBTC. Looks like other major exchanges. So this is the District0x website. Pretty clean design. I like it. So this is what I meant by it's a utility token that you could use as a voting, a voting game. So you pretty much vote for the next district. Go ahead and click on that. And what do you want them to build next? Enable MetaMask party extension in your browser, fund your thing, and then you vote. So this is how you vote. But these are pretty much the projects you can vote on, the districts. So we have a Decentraland. It's all loading. Sorry. We have one high funding platform. We have the Decentraland District, and you can click on these links and get more information on them. The Bouncing Hunt District, the Red Light District, Give It District, Local View, a decentralized Yelp service, which I think is pretty cool. So these are all funded by us as the holders, which I think is pretty cool. So it looks like their next project is most likely going to be the High Funding platform, which is about 63% complete. So look out for that, folks, coming out pretty soon almost, or at least not coming out pretty soon, but probably going to be added to the roadmap. Let's go ahead and scroll through their website a little bit. What are districts? Districts are marketplaces and communities that exist as a decentralized autonomous organization. On the District0x network, all internet citizens will be able to deploy districts to the network free of charge forever. All districts possess the following core functionalities. So this is what you can pretty much do on the districts: post and listings, search and filtering, ranking and reputation, payment and invoicing. And how it works, it's all going to be powered through the token, Ethereum smart contracts and libraries. Run through that. District-specific smart contracts, the D0x infra front-end libraries, which allow people to, be able to search, list, rank, district-specific front-end, and the Argon governance and Argon we trust. Governance by Argon. Argon is a revolutionary new platform for the deployment of unstoppable virtual organizations and entities. The creation of on the District0x network will establish an accompanying Argon entity where all the district governance and decision-making process will be executed. So that's pretty cool. And then they got districts powered by District0x. This is the only one that's live right now. These two, I believe, are coming here really, really soon. But let's go ahead and take a look at, are we on that? No. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Go to ETH. Oh, we do have it open. It's over here. Let's take a look at this before we look at some price action. So ETH lands, you pretty much are working for Ether, which is pretty cool. The future of work is now. Hire or work for Ether cryptocurrency. Become a freelancer, find work, become an employer, find candidates. 0% service fee, fully decentralized on the blockchain, no restrictions, free membership. So this is kind of what you can do with District0x. I think it's pretty cool. Pretty much just build website, find a job, apply for a job, get hired, create invoices. And then if you're an employer, create a job, invite freelancers, accept job proposals, and get tasks done. So that's pretty much what you could be doing with District0x. I like the idea of it, but let's go ahead and look at some price action, folks. That's what you guys came here for. Nice. Looks like Bitcoin finally broke out of this nice little ascending triangle we were in. I was waiting for that break and close above 9,300 on the 4-hour. I'm pretty sure we got that on the 4-hour, but let's go ahead and switch over. Price finally broke out, so it looks like we're going to get, oh yeah, we broke out. We're moving. We're going to move, finally. So it looks like we did get that break and close above, in the nice little ascending triangle, above 9,300. I'm pretty sure my trade activated. I actually haven't looked, but I set one at about 9,300, so it looks like it should. Looks like it's going to move, guys. Next target for Bitcoin is 11,750, just my personal opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. Let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum. Oh yeah, look at Ethereum starting to move too. Ethereum is going to destroy this resistance here at 750 to 770. Next target for Ethereum, folks, is 1,000. No signs of slowing down here on the daily. I feel like it's still not too late to add to your bag if you're trying to add. We finally broke our resistance here at 700, and then we broke our other resistance at 710. Price has recently just closed above this level. Next target, folks, $1,000. Let's go ahead and look at Litecoin. And Litecoin looks like it's finally starting to move as well. We finally got that break and close above 155, I believe. We sure did. So my trade is activated. Boom, broke and close above 155 right here. Trade is good to go. Litecoin finally starting to pick up. For those of you that were asking, just give it time. It's just a little bit slower, a little bit more stable. Just give it time, but Litecoin will move. And now we're looking at District to Bitcoin on the daily, folks. Did this analysis earlier. Nice little impulse leg here from about 2,327 Satoshis all the way down to about 450. Since then, we're kind of in this nice little weird up channel, or bullish channel, not up channel. Momentum starting to shift towards the upside, though. Let's go ahead and switch over to the 4-hour, see what the 4-hour is showing us. So the 4-hour is showing us like we're looking a little bearish. So what's going to happen is, actually, let's go ahead and switch over to the 1-hour. See if we can get us that entry. So if price doesn't hold at this level, expect it to come down to about right here. 1,000, sorry, I got something in my eye. 1,115. And what that's going to do is going to give us a nice little double bottom right here and here. And then we're going to head towards the upside. Or, that's one scenario. Price will hold at this level. And then what I'm going to be looking for is a break and close above 1,190. Once we do break and close above 1,190 on the 4-hour, that's when I'll be deciding to add to my position. However, price is looking bearish, so wait for it to drop down to about 1,075. This looks more appealing here on the 4-hour. It's going to be bottom 1, bottom 2, and bottom 3. Going to be bouncing off our dynamic support here, and that's actually what I'm looking for. But again, folks, this is just my personal opinion. Not a financial advisor, you guys already know. Let's go ahead and zoom out. Where do I see District0x going in 2018, folks? Oops, my bad. I haven't done that in a while, I think. I think easily, no problem, we could come back to our all-time high here at about 2,980 Satoshis. However, I'm going to say it's going to be 3,000. Go ahead and mark that as target 1. Target 2, a little bit more aggressive. However, I don't expect this to happen until 2 months into 2018, possibly 3. And I'm saying 7,500 Satoshis by the beginning of 2019. But this is just my personal opinion, folks. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. So what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for that drop down to about 1,000. Oops, actually, go back to the 4-hour. give you that exact number. Looking for a drop at 1,075. Once we get that drop to 1,075, I'll be taking a buy. If not, I'll just be waiting for the break and close above 1,200 on the 4-hour. Once we get the break and close above 1,200 on the 4-hour, we should be good to go. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to re-steam, upvote, comment down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. If you guys are on YouTube, make sure you guys are subscribed and you have post notifications turned on. I do post a new video every single day. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.